In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on battery and use gray switcher next to performance mode to activate it. As you can see, if high performance mode is on, this little icon at the top left corner is visible. To switch it off, use blue switcher right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!